students. Suppose we are getting this error, okay, that character set utf8 is not unsupported. Okay, what we can do? Just open their cmd command prompt. Okay, now here what you will do? Now here you write, just type this pip install mysql dash connector dash python double equals to 8.0.29. Actually, in 8.0.30 it is not supported, but lower version of that it will be supported. So we just install this, press enter. Now 8.0.29 installed and 8.0.30 uninstalled. Okay, now again come to your program, same thing, execute this, it is executed. Right, so what you have to do? You have to write there what pip install, okay, on the command prompt. Okay, thank you.